Welcome to A Hands and Minds. This is workshop number 15. If you're coming for the first time, this is a continuation of 14 different workshops where we build a complete AI-powered auto insurance agent app from scratch using AWS Cloud, Bedrock, AgentCore, Strands, Gateway, MCP, and RAG. Each workshop builds directly on top of the previous one, so I highly recommend watching the previous workshop first. If you're already caught up, thank you for doing that. Let us dive into the workshop number 15. So in this workshop, what we are going to be doing is we are going to be developing this Lambda function in order to access the knowledge base. That is the objective of this. Let us go and do the hands-on demo. Go to the Lambda screen in the AWS console. So we're going to be creating one more Lambda here. That is our goal. So click the create function and give the name. Our name is prefix with W15, which indicates workshop 15, and I'm choosing the Python 3.12. And if you scroll down in the additional settings, if you scroll down, we're going to click the custom execution role, and here we're going to choose the role which we created in the workshop number 8, which is W8 prefix. Choose that role and click save. Scroll down, click create function, and then the Lambda is created here. So we're going to delete this default code, and we're going to copy our code from the Git. So delete it and go to Git and copy this file content and come back to Lambda and paste it. So if you look at this Lambda, it has got 3 parameters: region, KB ID, and model. KB ID is the knowledge base ID, which we will link it to the one what we created in the previous lab. And if you scroll down, essentially it is linking to the knowledge base. Okay, now we're going to do certain configuration parameters here. If you scroll down under runtime, there's a handler. We're going to change the handler to this and then click save. And then go to configuration. We're going to change few things. Click the environment variable. We're going to add 3 environment variables here. The first one is the knowledge base ID. Go to the Bedrock and copy the knowledge base what we created earlier. So copy that and come here and paste it. And region, of course, our region is US East 2. The next field is your LLM model ARN, right? Whatever the model LLM you're using it. In our case, we are using this one, so we are just copying that. Click save. Let us see. Then we're going to increase the timeout. Default, it has got only 3 seconds. We're going to make it 30 seconds. That way, when LLM is responding little slow, this will not abort. Okay, that is saved. So go to IAM. We have to set a few things there. Click the roles and go to the role which we created earlier, which is W8. Yeah, open that. And we're going to add inline policy. Click the JSON, delete the one what is by default. Go to Git. We're going to copy certain things from Git and go to this file, and we're going to copy this file. So essentially it is allowing to retrieve and invoke the knowledge base LLM models, and also if you scroll down, it is allowing us to read and get object for S3 buckets. So copy this and paste it here. So just make sure your account is right, your other parameters right, your S3 bucket is right. Yeah, if you're not sure, just go to the S3 and make sure your bucket name is indeed what you have in this JSON. Click next and give the policy name. In our case, we are giving this name. We are using the W15 to indicate the prefix of the workshop. So every time when we go to a different workshop, we put that workshop number for easy identification of where we created, when we created. So click the create policy button. And that is it. We have created the Lambda function. We have made sure all the parameters are set up properly. So let us quickly take a look at the Lambda function inside. What is inside? Open that Lambda function which we just created. Go to the code. Okay, so this is where we are accessing the knowledge base. So that completes our Lambda function. To summarize what we did in this workshop number 15, we came and built this Lambda in order to access the knowledge base. So that's what we did. In the next lab, we are going to do the gateway number 2. So until then, thank you guys. We'll see you in the next workshop.